Stop paying for AI prompt packs. I just built a free one. 6,000 prompts, 8 categories, all tested. Let me show you around.
Okay, quick video. I've built myself a little app. Let's just come out there so you see that. I've built myself a little app. I've used quite a lot of other people's prompts. I've just put them all together into one website, and we're going to take a quick look at it. So we've got camera movements, cinematic looks, shot types, all these good things. And if you click into one of these, you get all the movements there laid out for you. And then you see all the videos that go with it. All quite good stuff. And then you just go along here and they just filter them down slightly. Then just click into it. You can see what it is. Go back out and you can copy and do all that good stuff. So let's quickly continue and go down. So we've got some shots. Cinematic looks, camera. These are all the shots again. Just in different contexts, so you can just see IMAX what it is. Just to see the different qualities with different lenses and things like that. Got prompt library here. So we've got some videos. As you can see there, this was AI Studio Meta prompt. I think he got it off somebody else. So shout out to him. Some more here. But all you need to do is copy it with some viral stuff. I've pretty much added all these. We've got AI influencers, thanks to Metric Mill. He had some stuff on here, so I took some of his stuff. And on this, it goes all the way down to here. I think there's about 600 odd prompts. So let's have a look at the last one. So there, you get access to 552 AI influencer style prompts. So you've got every little position you could ever want. So there you go on that one. Let's bring it all the way back up there. Then we go to this one. We've got Nana Banana. Same sort of stuff. We've got the JSON prompts for it. I mean, you just click in, you can just change what you need in JSON prompt, but all the structure's there for you, so you can see that. Again, I think there's 200 to 300 here. We'll have a quick look. Go all the way down. If I get my mouse to do whatever I need it to do. So we've got like 300 Nano Banana prompts there for different stuff. We've got a little screen one there. That's quite amusing. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, that's quite funny. Cool. So then you've got them. Let me just go back to the top and get my mouse to do whatever it needs to do. Do I need to go to the top? Yeah. You have to forgive me, I'm just showing you what's available to you, and it's all going to be free. So all you need to do is log on, and you'll get access to it. Some prompt generators, a lot of these from Metric Mule's stuff that he's put on his videos. You just copy it and you get the prompt. Again, there's quite a lot on here. Don't quite know how many. But basically with these prompts here, you just put them into an LLM, do it in, follow the instructions on the LLM, and you'll get the output that you require. So like for this one's, you are now a cinematic Ultra AI video prompt architect. You put that in and it'll talk you through how to do it. So I normally use Claude Code, just put it into Claude Code and it'll come out with a better output. Loads to play with. What else we got? Prompt generator, we've got some music to download. So you've got some music, pretty much normally use that to make your own music with Suno. Tool sets. Oh, I've got links for all the AI places you need to go to. They're not sponsored. I took all the sponsored links out. So if you want to go to Key AI, it takes you there. If you want to go to FAL, it takes you to FAL. So you can just log in and set up these accounts. And all these are API providers. And we've got loads here. They all link to the same one. That's the one that it's said on there. Music Generated 11 Labs. None of them have got sponsored links on, so don't worry about that. And I'm not making any money out of this. I'm just giving it away. Just so people can have somewhere to go and access. And we've got premium tools here. I've got some stuff on Gumroad. If you want to buy some products from me, you can. That'll help me out. If not, no worries. You still get it for free. And obviously, you can join the school community should you want to. Starting slow, quite cheap. We've got some stuff in here. Let's have a quick look. I need to revamp all this, but we've got all these type stuff in here. Quite a lot of value in here, in all honesty. Maybe not so much the N8N stuff, but I've got some apps in here that are quite cool. And hundreds of N8N workflows, so you just give them to Claude and they'll redo them for you. I think I put a video out on that the other day. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Short and sweet.
All of it free. AI injection. Link in description below. Tag me when you build something with it.